When was the last time you really wanted to grow because you wanted to give to your teammates?
So our guest speaker trainer for today is no other than the president of Radiance Image Consultancy and Training, Ms. Tony Miranda.
My purpose here is for you to have the sense of clarity of why you are ever here. Because the who are you will determine the why you are here, what you're doing. And the who are you, hopefully and prayerfully, you will also plan out on how you want to be remembered. The sense of clarity that is leading to a legacy of how you want to be remembered here. And when we sandwich that clarity of why you're here and how you want to be remembered, I also want to put the most important W sa team. Who? Who are you? Once you have a vision, you now make decisions and you usually choose the hard right. Can you repeat those words? Hard right. So when I started choosing the hard right and aligned myself to the ultimate right, which is God, nawala yung pagiging self-centered ko. Yung palang power natin to have that, sabihin natin, confidence to speak up and even to level up and step up, let's say, to a position that we're not comfortable, is coming from that place of clarity and authenticity. Pala yung dating natin kapag maski eto lang tayo, pero we are miles deep. That's when you get to listen to each other kapag meron kang isang pinafocus. Because what you focus on magnifies. And when you focus on building trust, it will actually magnify. No matter how small you start, how big, sa akin walang such size. It's just do it now. Example, when you say you will do it, make sure you do it. Having a safe space is something that I hope each one of you will create as a goal, no, na gusto ko kahit konti lang yung talaga nakakausap ko, they all felt they have a safe space with me. Mahirap mag-resolve, mag-create ng action, mag-apply ng mga new system if you are not aware where you are. Awareness is always the foundation. Regardless kung team building yan or self-development, it's always sandaan natin na yung malaking core is awareness. After awareness, alam mo na, di ba? Then humility will follow. Magiging teachable ka na, magiging open ka na, okay, I think we need to do something. And that's when development happens. After development, na-equip ka na, and then hindi ka na naniwala na kailangan alam ko lang, ginagawa mo na. Then self-leadership happens. And after self-leadership is our goal for each one of you. And what's that? Self-mastery. So can you think, even if from here or outside, think of a person you know whom you consider a great leader, teacher or mentor, or even coach. O minsan best friend mo nga yan, minsan husband mo, wife mo, minsan parents mo. That you ever felt or they made you feel comfortable learning. Kasi ganito, when we fail, di ba pinaka-lowest na yon, ang susunod ulit doon, learning. But sometimes, hindi ka na makabalik sa learning just because they made you really feel not just uncomfortable but miserable failing. Study shows that 90% leading to difficult conversations are caused by interpretations. That's why trust cannot be translated to engagement because what we do is not to observe. To observe are based on facts, no assumption, So you could have said you were touching your chin because I said clearly, observe what I'll do. So today onwards, I will ask you, will you choose to develop yourself to be that person who can observe or to be stuck to that person? When I say to that person, is pwede kasi na-copy mo yung way to be just interpreting. Because interpreting are not truths. It's based on feelings, assumptions, which may not be needed and helpful for the progress of a certain company. Safe space is the belief that one will not be punished or humiliated for speaking up with ideas, questions, concerns, and speaking up mistakes. Sometimes we don't know ourselves anymore because you are just adjusting, changing, focusing, pursuing how others expect you to be and how others want you to be. Don't be too hard on yourself, but don't stay there. But at least you know why you cannot adapt to change because it's true. Hindi mo basta sasabihin, kaya ko to, hindi mo kaya, but you need to try going to the other side. And how to do that, you need to focus.